Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can be adding a PDF to Mailchimp email. It's gonna be quick and easy step followed video. So, first, let's start by creating an email. Click right here, or make sure to create a campaign. Once we are here, I'm going to start from scratch, or either you can go with a basic layout or fully designed template, or basically just as I do in this video, starting from scratch. From scratch is basically available for me since I have been using the free version. Of course, you can be using whatever template you want. Now, this is the template that I have. Normally, it will be either with the random stuff that it has at the beginning or basically empty, just like that. The footer, we can't remove it. I have shown you a video about it, how you can remove it. For the free version, you will not be able to remove it. Now, as you can see on the left, these are the blocks that we can add. Heading, paragraph, button, etc. Nothing here mentions PDF or anything that has a relationship with adding any files into the content of our basically email. So how can we do that? Basically, we have two options. The first is by adding a button. This button, I'm gonna write here, for example, PDF, download PDF, and this button is gonna work as a download link. So you can link it to a web page or basically file. Add file, and from here I'm going to choose a PDF file. For example, here I'm just going to skip it and choose a random thing like this Facebook logo, and whenever a person clicks on this button, is going to be able to download this picture of Facebook logo. Now you can do this with PDF, any files that doesn't pass the limit of 10 megabytes. So make sure that your file doesn't exceed the 10 megabytes capacity, and you will be able to do it as I did. Then click on save and you're good to go. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.